welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about today's video because we are doing a massive holiday kits haul. It's that time of the year where Sephora is coming out with all the crazy holiday sets, and I'm here to show you so many different products. And not only that, but every single item, that's right, every single item that I'm showing, I'm actually giving away. So I'm going to leave a link down below in the description bar if you would like to enter to win every single thing that you're going to see in this video. I'm very excited. I did actually partner with shoptagr for this video, and you guys know how much I adore shoptagr. It is like the only way that I do my shopping. So anyways, if you haven't heard of shoptagr, I like to call them my best friend. I rave about them all the time. They're an app, or there's also a website that you can go to, and basically what they do is they allow you to tag items that you're interested in that maybe you want to wait to purchase when they go on sale. And the reason that I also think it's so important is with the holiday sets, I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys want to check any of them out and purchase them. But the thing is there's always so much hype about the holiday kits right before the holiday season. And right around December, toward the end of December, normally the sets go on sale, and sometimes they're like 50% off or even more, but they go so fast. So the way the shoptagr works, you can go online, say you want to tag something at Sephora, right? So go online, look at the holiday kits, and what you're going to do is you're going to pick what item it is that you really want, but maybe it's just not in the budget right now. And shoptagr can notify you when it's 25% off, 50% off, or at any price point, which I think is really awesome. And so basically what you do is you click the item and it is going to save it into your shoptagr account. And literally the minute that it goes on sale, which is so exciting, it is going to go ahead and send you an email or a push notification. It is my favorite thing in the whole world when I'm waking up and I have all these items listed out that are on sale, because I hate purchasing stuff for full price when I know at some point it's going to go on sale. And you can organize your list if you want to do like clothes, makeup, electronics, whatever. shoptagr really has the ability to tag anything on basically any website. So it's really easy to use. You can make lists, and then you also can share with friends, send out emails. So if you want to give some people some hints for the upcoming holiday season, definitely tag it and send it. But anyways, I'm excited to share these items with you, so let's jump in. So the very first thing that you guys will be winning is the Sephora Favorites Give Me More Lip, and I wanted to show this because this honestly is one of my favorite holiday kits. I purchase it every single year. And don't worry, I did purchase one for myself, so I will be doing a full lip swatch video of every single shade. But this retails for $68, and it is a $202 value. So you get so many different lipsticks. You get a Huda Beauty full-size lipstick. You get the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine. You have the Tarte H2O Gloss, the Sephora Rouge Velour, the Sephora Rouge Lipstick, a Too Faced Melted, a full size of the Bare Minerals, which I'm excited because I've been wanting to try this for a while. We have a full size of Charlotte Tilbury, which we know that is very expensive. A NARS lipstick, a full size of Anastasia, a Marc Jacobs Kat Von D YSL full size of Smashbox, and then you also get a Bite lipstick. So this is one of my favorite holiday kits, and I think it's so great because you get to try so many different brands and just different colors, and you do get a bunch of full size ones as well. So that is the first holiday kit that you'll be winning, and one of my personal favorites that comes out every single year. Okay, the next one is another Sephora Favorites, and this one is called their Superstar Set, and I love this because you get so many different products to try out, and they're like true staple products as well. Okay, so the first product that you're going to get is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I feel like this is a holy grail in the beauty community, and so many people love it. The next thing you'll be getting is a full size of the Brow Wiz, and it's in the shade Medium Brown. I absolutely love the Brow Wiz. It's actually what I have on my eyebrows today, and if you haven't tried it out, this would be a really great way to do so. And I did not mention that the kit is $75, but it's $172 value. We have a Stila full size Glitter and Glow. This is an eyeshadow. We have a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and you guys, I'm pretty sure that that retails for almost $100 if it were full size. So at least you're getting to try out a really nice size of it as well. We have the Dior Show Mascara. We have a Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Primer, which I absolutely love. This is a setting spray. We have the Kat Von D lipstick, and it's in a really beautiful red shade. We have the Photo Finish Primerizer, another favorite. I have been through 2 full bottles of that primer. It's one of the best. Then we have a Fenty Beauty Primer, and I believe this one is a matte primer. We have a full-size Urban Decay 24-hour eyeliner, which is super dark, super pigmented, and it stays on all day. And then last but not least, a Becca highlight. So you are getting so many different products, and again, a really great value. And I kind of wanted to do this video almost like I would do hauls, so that way you guys can kind of see all the different products that are coming out for the holidays, give you the value of them in case you want to pick them up, but then just know that they're all in a giveaway. So yeah, that is the next prize you'll be winning. Okay, the next thing that we have, I know people were super excited about, and this is the Too Faced Gingerbread Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my gosh, it looks so gorgeous. I'm actually going to open up mine so that way you guys can see. All right, so here's what it looks like. It does come in like the tin can type packaging. You do get so many beautiful shades, and it smells amazing like you're making cookies. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up. Here's what that palette looks like, and it is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And again, you guys will be winning this as well. I literally tried to get like almost everything because I wanted whoever wins this giveaway to be able to do a full face of super snatched makeup. The next thing is, again, another Sephora favorite, go figure. This is the Sephora Lashstash, and this retails for $48. It is a $140 value, and such an amazing way to try out so many different mascaras. So the first one that you get is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, and again, you do get a full size with that. And then we have a Hourglass Caution Extreme Mascara. My aunt actually was just talking about this one, and she said it is amazing. We have a Dior Maximizer 3D Mascara. We have a Lash Craft Big Volume by Sephora Mascara. The Bad Girl Benefit Mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex, which is my personal favorite. We have a Marc Jacobs Mascara, Smashbox Super Fan, Milk Makeup, and then a full size of the Lancome mascara. So you do get 2 full-size mascaras, which if you think about it, if you're even thinking about buying this set, this mascara and this mascara probably cost more, if not the exact same, is the whole entire set, and then you get to try all these different ones. So very excited about this set to give it away to you guys. Okay, the next thing is what I would kind of like to think of as like a Milk sample pack. I love Milk makeup products, and then they also have some really awesome skincare as well. So you're getting a bunch of different things. The first one is the cooling water, I believe. We have the watermelon serum. We have a primer, which literally smooths your whole face out. We have a blush, a bronzer, a highlight, and a mascara, all in this set right here. So that is the Milk makeup set. I cannot remember the value. I think it was maybe $39 was the price of this. And again, I'll leave everything listed down below in the description bar if you're like, hey, how much does that cost? Or you want to save it to your loves, or you want to tag it on shoptagr. Okay, next thing we have is the Christmas Dreams. This is the Dream Queen Limited Edition Makeup Collection by Too Faced. Now, this does come with a few different things, so I'll show it to you guys. The first thing it comes with is this super cute Too Faced bag. You can put your lipstick or just whatever you want in the bag. And it also has a little charm on it that says Too Faced as well. Then it comes with this cute little palette, and the palette really has a lot of different options for you. So the first off, you have a ton of different rows of eyeshadows. You have shimmers and mattes, you have pops of color, you have neutral shades, you have something for everybody. And then down the row here, you have a bronzer and 2 blushes and a highlight. So you can really do your whole face with this. And I love how flat and compact this is, because you actually could stick it in the little bag and take it with you. It also comes with a Better Than Sex mascara, the deluxe sample. You also get a Hangover RX setting spray and then a lip gloss. Okay, and that set retails for $58. Okay, next one is another favorite of mine, and this is the Tarte Blush Palette. It is a $42 price tag and $132 value. This one is so cute because it actually is a clutch that you can use. So like, look how cute this is. So first off, you get a nice glittery clutch, which I love because it's like 2 for 1. And then here you have it, all of the blushes that you get. So you get 5 different blushes, and then you can actually pull this out with the tab and use this as a clutch on the go. So this is super cute, and I love when brands think of ways that they can do stuff, but also give us stuff to use. I know last year, I think it was Too Faced, they did a palette and you also got a calendar with it, and I still use the calendar because I absolutely love it. So again, this is another prize that you'll be winning, and it's a Tarte blush book. Okay, another thing we have from Tarte is their pineapple collection. So you get this super, I don't know if it's called pineapple collection, but you get this pineapple, and hopefully you can see right here, you get a bunch of different eyeshadows. You also get with it a eyeliner, a mascara, and a lipstick. So this is the Pineapple of My Eye collection for Tarte. Next thing we have is the Sephora Favorites Glow For It. Another really awesome set. You get so many different blinding highlight products. So the first one that you get is the Fenty, and this is a stick highlighter. You get the High Beam by Benefit. You get an Artist Couture highlight, which those are really, really blinding, so you might want to be careful with it. You get the Milk Makeup highlighter, and then a Liquid Cover FX. This one's actually $28. I am going to try to go in stores to JCPenney's because I know sometimes they actually do different sets that are Sephora Favorites that are really good value as well. Okay, next product is another one I always try to pick up around the holidays. This is the Stila with Flying Colors Stay All Day Liquid Lip Set. These lipsticks are some of the creamiest, long-lasting, doesn't make you feel like you have anything on your lips, lipsticks. They're super duper awesome, and you get 6 different shades. You have some like nudes, some pinks, some reds, some darker shades, something in there for everybody. And here's that right there. And very last set. Now I will say when this came in, I was surprised at how small these were, but this is the Becca Glow Macaroon Collection. So it is a $40 set, and you get 4 different highlights. You get Opal, Vanilla Quartz, Rose Quartz, and Prismatic. So you get 4 different ones. Now it is really cute and travel size, but for me, I wish it would have been more like $25. So really cute set. If you guys don't want to buy it, definitely enter the giveaway. So that is going to be it for this haul slash giveaway. I hope that you guys are as excited as I am. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what items you're tagging on a shop tagger. What items did you like the best from this haul that you were the most excited about? And as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.